What's up, Outdoor Rec class? This is Mr. Woods. I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to get started on using your brand new Weebly for Education website building account. So you start by typing in the username. I gave you a little piece of paper with that on there, and type in your password. I gave you a generic password. You can change it later if you want. You'll get started. You'll sign in. Take a minute to roll up. It's going to ask you what you want to call your title. Don't worry about having a clever name. You can always change it. Remember, the assignment is about creating a fictional superhero animal, so my super cat is what I'm going to call mine. Actually, that's not the web address, so it's just the title of the page. When we get to publishing, that's when you'll see the web address later. Weebly is so easy to use. I almost don't have to show you any instructions, but just a few quick things to look at. There's one, two, three, 4 tabs up at the top. The first one, Elements, we'll get to that later. The second one is Design. I click on that, and that gives you a whole bunch of different default choices for what you want your website to look like. So what the color is, and how the shading is, and stuff like that. You don't have to spend a lot of time choosing that, so you can just click on one and it's going to automatically go through and change the entire site for you. I really like this one here. I'm going to stick with that. I like how my Super Cat page looks in terms of coloring. And then I'm just going to drop into the first tab now, Elements. What elements are, they're the basic building blocks for making a website. So things like paragraphs and pictures with paragraphs, and also this multiple column layout. Let me show you how easy this is. I click on one of these buttons, element buttons, and I drag it and drop it into the body of the website. Then all I have to do is simply click where it says click here to edit, and say, and give it a title. My awesome super cat saves the world. This awesome super cat will save the world. Super cat will save the world. When I'm done with that, it's done. Now what I want to do is go on, and remember, you're required to make at least 3 pages. So we have the home page. So just click on add a page. You can make another new page. So this one's going to be about the super cat. And then you can make a 3rd page and call that contact the super cat. So that's in pages. If you go back to Elements, and you scroll up to the top, you can see that all of these pages that I made are starting to populate in the menu bar. So that 3rd one didn't work. Contact the super cat. So there we are. Now, if I want to edit any of these pages, right now I'm in about the super cat, simply drag in one of the elements. Just to throw one more little wrinkle in here, there's 3 different types of elements. There's the basic, there's the multimedia, and there's other. Multimedia is just what you think it is: pictures, slideshows, audio, video, maps, stuff like that. And then more is some like really detailed web design stuff, including the columns thing that you've seen already, and divider I like to use a lot too. It just puts a horizontal line in between some stuff. So that's about all you're going to need to get started. The only final thing is when you're finished, hit publish. You have to choose a name. So I'm going to say my super cat. It's available. mysupercat.weebly.com. I hit continue, and mysupercat.weebly.com has been published. The only thing right now is that it's password protected because we're not going to have everything go out there right away. We want to make sure that everything we're putting out there is safe. So, that's about all I got.